We're back for another XDP manufacturer Q&A. In this video, we sit down with Ryan from Gator Fasteners to learn more about the brand and the fasteners that they offer. So Ryan, what are the primary product offerings of Gator Fasteners and what applications do they cater to?
Gator Fasteners is a high-end fastener company that only caters to the diesel engine. We offer head studs, main studs, rod bolts, and we do offer some specialty fasteners as well.
Why are factory head bolts often seen as a weak point in diesel engines?
Anytime you're doing a head job, head gaskets, working and taking the heads off of your diesel engine, what happens over time is with all the heat soaking and moving, you're gonna get some warping. So that's why you wanna install a good head. But the best way to get even load distribution across that installation is to use a stud. If you go back to the factory head bolts, you risk having more warping happening down the road, head gasket failure, those types of things.
How does Gator Fasteners ensure reliability and strength of their products?
Our biggest thing is testing. So we use a third-party testing company out of California that makes sure that Gator Fasteners is making the best fastener on the market. So not only do we do all of the heat treating there at our facility, but we also roll instead of cut the threads.
What material is used in the production of Gator Fastener studs? And what additional elements are added to increase studs' performance?
All of our studs are an 8740 chrome moly material. We use a custom heat treating process, and then we roll all the threads for better reliability and performance.
Can you elaborate on the load capacity and tensile strength of Gator Fastener head studs?
Absolutely. Like I mentioned before, we have these third-party tested, so you're getting the strongest fastener in the market. Our tensile strength and load capacity is 221 kilonewtons and 120,000 psi.
What can customers expect to find in the box when they order Gator Fastener head studs or main studs?
So if you order something, say, for your 5'9" or your 6'7", in the box you're going to have all the studs and hardware you need for a good head job. You're going to have assembly lube, t-shirt, sticker, and then all the instructions for the torque values. And I don't want to gloss over the assembly lube. We actually partnered with Hot Shot Secrets to make Gator Juice. What we found was that they do a testing protocol where they use a perfect straight edge and they test the adhesion coefficient. We were able to develop with them the best assembly lube on the market. So you know when you're installing these studs, when you torque them down to the correct spec, it's going to be the most accurate torque spec you can possibly get.
A huge thanks to Ryan for taking the time and giving us the rundown on Gator Fasteners. To learn more and get products for your next build, head on over to xdp.com today.